Intensive moisturizing cream for dry, rough and tired feet. Lanolin, aloe vera and urea provide dry, rough skin much-needed care in restoring the skin's elasticity. Massage the cream into the feet or the targeted area twice a day for the treatment of dry skin. Gehwol is the world's most comprehensive line of effective therapeutic foot care products that treat the widest range of foot conditions including calluses, cracks, blister, sweatiness and dryness. For the prevention of foot odor. Helps to prevent infections and itching between the toes. Provides essential care for dry, rough skin on the feet, helping to restore the skin's elasticity, suppleness and smoothness. Top reviews from the United States. I love it. I love the scent, and this product works remarkably well. I was impressed by how quickly the white marks on my toenails, from wearing nail polish for too long, disappeared, and I love how it moisturizes my feet. I will keep using it.